JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and it provides all the tools required to build and execute a Java program. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So you will need this if you want to run Java programs but not necessarily develop applications for Java. JVM or Java Virtual Machine converts the bytecode into machine-specific code and provides core Java functions like memory management, garbage collection, and security. It's virtual because it provides an interface that does not depend on the operating system or the hardware. This independence enables the Java program to run anywhere. So the important difference between those three are: JDK is for development purposes, while JRE is for running the Java programs. JDK and JRE both contains Java Virtual Machine so that we can run our Java program. JVM is the heart of the Java programming language and provides the platform independence.